7 warranty tricks that dealers use and how to beat them. Some warranty claims don't get denied by accident, they actually get managed. Before we get into this, I'm Roy Wiss, and I've spent over 25 years designing, building, repairing and selling caravans right here in Australia. I've seen what works and what costs people tens of thousands of dollars. So on this channel, I give you real no-nonsense advice to help you avoid expensive mistakes and make sure your caravan dreams don't turn into a nightmare. So if you're serious about getting it right, you're in the right place.
Travels with Roy Wiss.
And today I'm going to show you 7 warranty tricks that catch people out and exactly how to beat them. So trick number 1, that's wear and tear. So what they say is that's just wear and tear and it's not covered. In reality, sometimes that can be true, but often used as a default defense. So how you can beat it? You ask them what caused the wear. If it's premature, could it still be a defect? And use things like it's not of acceptable quality. Trick number 2 is delaying the process. Yeah, we'll get back to you. Weeks go by. And what happens? They hope you lose momentum. And how to beat it? Follow up every 3 to 5 days. Keep everything in writing and set deadlines. Can you confirm by Friday? Trick number 3 is passing the buck. You need to talk to the manufacturer. Well, in truth, under Australian consumer law, the dealer is responsible. So how you beat it is to say this: my contract is with you. I'd like you to handle this. Trick number 4 is you caused it. Overloading, incorrect use, poor maintenance. And again, sometimes that can be valid, but there are times when it's not. So how to beat it? Keep service records, keep your weigh tickets, and keep photos over time. Look, evidence beats opinion every single time. So trick number 5, a small fix instead of a proper fix. Look, they patch it up instead of fixing the root cause. And the problem with that, of course, is it's going to fail again. So how to beat it? Ask, what caused the failure? And how are you going to prevent it from happening again? Trick number 6 is you're out of warranty. Shut down. That's it. Sorry, your warranty has expired. But again, under Australian consumer law, products must last a reasonable time. So you can beat this by saying, I believe this has not lasted a reasonable time. And this is powerful. Trick number 7, verbal promises with no record. Don't worry, we'll look after you. Then later, nothing. So how you beat that? Always email after conversations and follow up that email and make a phone call. Have you received my email? I'm just confirming our conversation from earlier today. Look, this protects you. And here's my reality check. Most dealers aren't bad, but systems exist to protect businesses, and you need to know how to protect yourself. Worry isn't about who shouts the loudest, it's about who understands the system, and it's about good communication. So if you want more real-world advice, subscribe, and if you've been caught out, tell me your story in the comments. Come on, you know the system.
Roy Wiss.